Are you playing? What type of playing is this?
Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! If they carry me, they told me I don't know.
Photo. Apostle, we hear of this.
Not be juju be
Guys,
that.
set your camera on a tripod and record an empty background for a few seconds. Then you came inside the video like this. Do your action like this for a few minutes. Then you do another action again like this one. You can do whatever you like. Then you move forward. I get what I'm saying. So after that, save the video to your gallery. Let's go to Cupcut and display our magic over there. Thank you.
Grow your social media platforms and make money online.
Click on Cupcut, new project. Allow it to load, okay? Thank you. It will load now. Then you go straight to your video, the one that you want to use for your editing, okay? You go and look for your video. This is mine, and I click on it like this. Good. I also click on add. It will take you to your workspace like this. After that, click on the video and go and look for volume like this. Then you reduce it to 0, mark it here and go. After you reduce it and mark it there, you are going to look at where you are going to start the movie. Have you seen it? Yeah, all the magic. Here's my place. So I will just go down here and look for split and click on split like this. Here's the split. You click on it like this. After you click on split, click on this left one and click on delete. It will delete. Now you are going to look at where you raise up your hand. This place. Have you seen it? Good. Then you go down, click on it so that it will be on the line like this. Then you go down and go and look for freeze. Okay, you are going to look for freeze. Here is it. Click on it like this. It will freeze itself. Have you seen it? Good. Then you use your hand to put it small like this. Okay, it will depend on how you want the video to be long. Good. You can delete this one because it's freeze 2 times. Fine. So this one, you are going to look at where you put your hand down and put the action. Have you seen it? Yeah. The time that you want to do the action, then you click on it so that it will be on the white line like this and click on split. Delete the center one, we don't need it. Then you go here and go and clear out the unwanted parts like this. Okay, fine. So click on the video like this and click on split, delete it. Okay, good. After that, you come here and click on the center one like this, so you can enlarge it if you like how I'm doing my own. Good. This one is good. After that, you screenshot it like this. Take your time and screenshot it. Okay, take your time and screenshot it like this. Good. When you screenshot it, let it click. Sorry, screenshot it again. Yeah, click on it. After you click on it, crop it nice. Okay, don't forget to follow Etornam Kamasah so that anytime I put a video on the content like this, you'll be the first person to watch it. Okay, good. After that, save it to your gallery. When you save it to your gallery, then you go and look for overlay. Here, click on it. Have you seen it? Overlay. Click on add overlay again. So now you are going to click on photo. Go top and go and look for the one that you screenshot. Yeah, here is it. So what you are going to do is that you will let it be in the line with this one, the center one. Good. This one's supposed to be in line with this one again. Yeah, good. After you do it like that, you will go to down and go and look for remove BG. Yeah, you are going to look for remove BG. So where is it? Remove BG. Here is it. You click on it. Click on auto remover. Allow it to remove completely. Then you mark it here. Have you seen it? Good. After you do that, click on any part of the video and go back and look for opacity. You go there and look for opacity. Here is opacity. Have you seen it? Click on it. Take it to 50. 5 or 53, anyone you like, but let me do my own 55. Okay, yeah, 55 is good for me. Good, click on it and go. After you do it like that, have you seen it? Yeah, there is it. So you are going to duplicate this video, the down one, you are going to duplicate it into 4 times, and now 3. Yeah, you are going to duplicate in 3 layers. So you click on it and go and look for duplicate. Go and look for duplicate to 1, 2, 3. Have you seen it? Then you go there and go and pick it. Click on it like this, drag it down, move it forward to be aligned with the first one. Okay, yeah, make sure it will all of it be in line, the same line. Okay, good, like this. Fine. Then you go here and go and pick the second one again. Click on it. You click on it, then you drag it down and push it forward like this. Yeah. Let it be in line with this one. Yeah. Go and pick the last one. Click on it and drag it down. You move it for the same thing. You do the same thing and let it be in line with this one. So have you seen it? Let all of it be in line. Yeah. After you do that, you click on the first one like this. Then you click on keyframe. This one like this. Have you seen it? Good. You click on the keyframe like that. You will just let it be in the line like this. Have you seen? Then you click on it, click on the keyframe like this. After that, then you push it away. When you put it, you move it like this and click it. You move the video like this and you click it. Look at how I'm doing it. Okay, when you move it, you click it. When you move it, the keyframe will be added automatically. You move, you click, you move, or you click it, you click. Have you seen it? You move it again. So let all of it go inside. You just do the same thing like this. Have you seen it? When you move it, you do it like this. When you move it, you will do it like this. When you move it, you will do it like this. Okay, when you move it, you will do it like this. When you move it, you will do it like this. When you move it, the last one, let it go. Have you seen it? First, you will do this all of the 3 layers in the same way. So this one will go down. You just click on the keyframe first. Have you seen it? Yeah, the keyframe show. So this one will go down. Also, you can move this one and this one also go down. You also move this one also go down. You also move this one will also go down. You also move this one will also go down. Have you seen it? Yeah, you raise up, you move it, you raise up, you move this one, you raise up, you move it, you raise up. Okay, you move it, then you raise it up. Okay, you move it, you also raise this one up. You also move it, you raise this one up. You move it, you raise this one up. Okay, don't forget to follow me. Okay, yeah, you go and do the third one, the same thing. You just move, you click on the keyframe. First, you click on the keyframe like this to add, then you put it down, you move it, you do it like this, do all of it like this. Take your time and do it very nicely. Okay, take your time and do it nice. Take your time and do it now. So now you are going to raise it up again. Then you'll be scrolling it, then you'll be moving it up. The same way I'm doing it, you just take your time and do it the same thing. So the movie will be tallied and everything will be nice on it. Okay, don't do any mistake. So watch me. If you're watching me for the first time, just subscribe and follow me so that anytime I put the video or YouTube or Facebook will show it to you. Okay, go the last layer, you'll do the same thing. Okay, yeah, sorry, this is the last layer. Click on it, the keyframe will show. You raise it to the top like this. Okay, then you click on it, you raise it to the top. You click on it, you also raise it to the top. You click on it, you also raise this one to the top. The same thing you are going to do. Okay, good. This one self you will raise it like this. You raise it. Have you seen it? You do the same thing here. Let this one be inside like this. Have you seen it? Good. You do the same thing for here. You do the same thing for here. This is what you will do. Good. You do the same thing here. Yeah, this is what you are going to do here. Okay, good. Thank you for following me. Let's see the magic you have made right so far. Let's see the magic. Let me play the magic that you have made so far. Okay, good. Have you seen it? Yeah, this is the magic we are doing so far. So But if you are not a pro member, you cannot have it, you cannot have the video. So I've made, in one of my video, I've do some video about how to download or how to export pro feature for free. When you use remove VJ and all those things, you can export it for free without any money or without any confusion. So go and look for that video and made it. Do your own title. You can add your, if you don't know how to add your magic effect and all video effects and music effects, all those things, you can DM me so that I'll teach you how to do all those things. Okay, so bye bye, let me see you in the next action. Thank you.